dear ones. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. And I am sure that you are waiting for your new lesson to study. By this video, you are going to study the chapter 1. Watch the video thoroughly. Write down the notes, definitions, question answers, formulas, etc. in your notebook. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me. Okay? Let us go to the video. Representation of integers on a number line. We know while representing the numbers on number line, the center 0, the right hand side, this is right hand side and this one left hand side. Going right hand side, the number is increasing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. It is increasing. And when we are moving left side, it is decreasing. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it is going small. When we are going away from 0, it is decreasing. Left hand side like പോകുമ്പോൾ ചെറുതായി കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. While it is moving to right hand side, it is increasing. So comparing 2 and 4, we know that 2 is smaller than 4. And here comparing -5 and -2. -5 is smaller than -2. While going left hand side, it is decreasing. I hope you understood. Means negative numbers means we are considering lows. Lows are negative numbers. So how -5 becoming greater than -2? Let us discuss. If we lose 2 rupees, one person lost 2 rupees. Another person lost 5 rupees. So whose loss is more? Who lost 5 rupees, he has more loss. That's why when it is negative numbers, while going away from 0, it is smaller and smaller. It is decreasing. Or if any competition, we are going to appear any quiz competition. The group A loses 10 points. 10 points. It means -10. Lose means -10. Then group B loses 20 points. That is, their score is -20. -20 points and here -10 points. So definitely we know that who has the greater loss, group A or group B. Definitely we know group B, because they lost 20 points, so they have the more loss. That's why we can conclude that -20 is -20 is smaller than -10. But when it is negative number, means big number becoming small. Here they lost 20 points, they lost 10 points. So this group B has the greater loss. That's why -20 is smaller than -10. This is a number line represented the temperature of different cities. Here Ooty. The temperature of Ooty lies between 10 and 15. Shimla. Temperature of Shimla 5. And here it is coming down -5, -10. Here it is represented Kashmir. So the temperature of Kashmir lies in between -5 to -10. Definite which places among these places, which place has more temperature? Here it is very clear that Ooty, then Shimla, then Kashmir. So when it is going left hand side of the 0 or negative, so here the temperature is becoming less, means when it is going away from 0, we are getting small numbers. Pairing integers. We know -25 and -20. So -25 means more loss, -20 means less loss. So here -25 is smaller than -20. So the sign will be this way. And here 72 and minus 72. Definitely we know minus 72 is smaller than 72. Here we will not get equal to. This is small. And 68 and minus 100. It is negative and this is positive. Definitely we know negative is smaller than positive. Therefore 68 is greater than minus 100. Means this is smaller number. Minus 100 is smaller than 68. Additive inverse. Means same like our language, we have inverse in mathematics also. For example, if longer, opposite is shorter. Big, small, same way. Here we have the inverse of integers also. For example, the integer minus 10. Integer means always we have to represent that sign with that number. Minus 10. The inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Minus plus additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. Then 20. 20 means positive 20. The inverse of positive 20 is negative 20. Or the inverse of my negative 9 is positive 9. Therefore, the additive inverse of negative is positive. Additive inverse of negative is positive and positive is negative. That means the subtraction is the addition of additive inverse. Subtraction. This is subtraction. A minus of minus B. Means here we are, this is the process. Subtraction. This is the process. This negative is sign of the B. So how we read it? A minus negative B. Sign we are calling negative. A minus negative B. Or simply we can call A minus of minus B. So here we are doing the subtraction. Actually, when these two signs comes together without any number or any digit, so minus, these two signs are coming together, means we have to multiply these numbers. So here we are getting minus into minus plus. So A plus B will be here. A minus of minus B equal to A plus B. And A plus minus B. Here one sign is positive and the sign is negative. So plus into minus, that is A minus B. Plus into minus is minus. Similarly, one more, A minus positive B. Here also plus into minus is minus. So here we are getting minus. So we can conclude there, this is off, bracket off ആണ്. So A minus B. This is A minus of plus B equal to A minus B. Minus into plus minus. So always if bracket is there and two signs are coming together, we have to multiply the sign. Means one negative into negative is equal to positive. Next, negative into positive is negative. Next one, positive into positive is positive. Next one, positive into negative is negative. One more time, negative into negative, positive. Negative into positive, negative. Positive into positive, positive. Positive into negative, negative. So whenever we are getting two sign nearby two sign without any number, any digit, ഇതിൻ്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് ഒരു digit ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ we have to multiply the sign minus and plus. So negative into positive is negative. Minus 20 plus minus 4 equal to, Here plus and minus, we have to multiply the sign. So positive into negative, negative, plus into minus, minus. So what we are getting? Minus 20, minus 4. Both are negative. Minus 20, minus 4. So if both are negative, what we have to do? We have to add and give the same sign. So minus 20 minus 4 equal to minus 24. Now, one more question we can try. Simplify. (49) minus 10 equal to, here two minus are coming together. So we have to multiply the sign, minus into minus plus. So what we are getting? 49 plus 10. 49 plus 10 equal to how much? 59. Now one more example. Simplify. Simplify minus 75 plus positive 22. So here both are positive. So positive into positive, it is positive. So minus 75 plus 22. Here sign are different. This is negative, this is positive. So we have to subtract the smaller number 22 from the larger number 75 and apply the sign of larger number negative. So how much? 75 minus 22 is 53. 53. Sign, the larger number is sign is negative. So the answer is negative 53. Simplify. Negative 25 minus negative 50. So here minus and minus coming together. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. Minus into minus plus. So this is equal to negative 25 minus into minus plus 50. The sign of 25 is negative and sign of 50 here positive. So different sign. What we have to do? We have to subtract the smaller number from the larger and have to put the sign of larger number. So we should subtract 25 from 50. 50 minus 25 is 25. The greater number is 50. The sign of 50 is positive. Therefore answer is 25. When we add a negative and a positive number, we should subtract the smaller number from the larger number and give the sign of the larger number. When we add two positive numbers, we get a positive number. When we add two negative numbers, we get a negative number.